In this video, you'll learn how to search for a specific plan on Blixo in just a few simple steps. You can search by its name using both full text and partial text. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Settings section. Next, click on the Plans field to access the plans list. First of all, I will demonstrate how to search for an item by its name using the full text method. Correct. Next, using the partial text method. Correct again. Voila! You have successfully searched for a specific plan in just a few easy steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.